Well, we were doing great, but she jumped the track. I don't have the pilot, and I don't have the trailing truck, and I was going just a little too fast with the load, and I pulled the front wheels over, and we'll see if we can get through this now. About 15 volts. It's a little slower. Yeah, see, it's making it fine now. I'm gonna have to take it off and finish it, polish it, put everything on it, and we should be good to go. Good looking engine though. I mean, if you can squint and not see what's missing. Nice headlight, nice smoke, nice firebox, wheels in the back. Yeah, I need another holder in the front for the green jewels that go in the front. I'll find one of those somewhere and I'll stick it in there, and then I'll be in good shape. It's just a good looking engine. My back side here has low power for some reason. I'm gonna have to work on that. It's killing me. It gets around here, it gets closer to the source, it picks up. My track. Old, I haven't done anything to it in ages. Okay, I'm gonna call that okay, and see what happens from there. Nothing. Oh, it's mad at me now. It's not even gonna back up good. It was backing up good. It's got a little hitch there. I'm gonna check into it. I'll give it a lube job and check everything for resistance. I got to check these cars, see if they got some drag on them too. But yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. I know it's gonna need a little more work, but it runs. It runs great. Yeah, back up light comes on. A little hitchy. Might need a lube. Might need a little wheel alignment, a little lube. We'll get her going. Take it down, clean it. This is the first time been on the track, so I'm okay with it. I'm okay. Now it acts like smoke's a little low, doesn't it? I turned it down, and it looks like it wants more. So, While I got it in a roundhouse, maybe I'll give it another half a volt and see what we get out of it. Or it's low on smoke. Maybe I need to put more oil. That could be too. Don't want to burn it out. Okay, that's it. We're done. Very happy. Made it through the live test on the rails. Jumps and all, but that's all. I know what it is, so it's not a problem. I'll post this too so you can see it running in case you're interested. Later.